The bad guys is really cool. It's crime time, baby.
It's slightly dangerous.
It's witty and it's quick.
I'm a little crazy.
Crazy? You finally speaking my language, Chico!
We're the villains of every story.
The animals people are scared of.
They're the best at being bad. They're the best criminals.
So long, suckers!
If you want to stay out of jail, you need to go good.
It's definitely a struggle for them.
It's a cat stuck in a tree.
I want you to
Smack it. Skin it. Stab it.
Saute.
Sing to it.
save it. I want you to set this off. It's so obvious. I want you to save it.
Oh, right.
The cast is phenomenal, insane.
Everybody really brings in their personality to the characters and really shapes them.
It's a real stretch. Cranky, inflated, sense of self. Yeah, I had to really work on that at home.
This is gonna taste extra sweet.
Nope. Sucker. That's it. I'll teach you to share.
Totally worth it.
The action and the drama, you're going to laugh out loud.
I'm having a baby!
There's a lot of heartfelt stuff going on, too.
You think? You see an animation, you think. You have it.
What happened? Did we blow up? Is this heaven?